Hello all my fellow shadow crafters, welcome back to my channel. Last night I was demolding some molds and I've been using a new resin. Every time I check out a new resin, I take like a month to see if I like it or not. That way I can get a proper test run. Well, something bad happened last night, which is kind of odd. They stuck to the resin. So 2 of my molds were destroyed. Oddly enough, because I never had any problems with this before, except for the first time that I used it when it flash cured on me. And the second time I used it, they turned out to be kind of gummy, like this, which is weird. But any other time I've had no problems, but last night, look at that. Yeah, see? I mean, this is horrible. I told one of my sisters and she bought me new molds because obviously I'm trying to make these for Christmas. But I've been working on these pieces for 2 days straight. I had no problem with this one. They're all from the same kit from Resin. And what kills me is that they're perfect. Not one single bubble in any of them. Not one. But these are destroyed. I don't know how to fix these. If somebody could tell me how to fix them, that'd be great. But these, I don't think I could use that. No, I can't use this again. No. These turned out beautifully. It's from the same batch of resin, from the same night. These are from the night before. They're perfect. Once again, no bubbles. They're beautiful. The conditions hadn't changed. Everything was as it should have been, just like before. I haven't even demolded these yet. Oh, these turned out pretty cool. I mean, those are nice. These turned out beautifully. It's from this mold. It's really, really cute. So yeah, came up with the same problem when it comes to this with Resin, but it's none of this happened too often. So I kind of like both. I like the fan out rich too. So I'm just gonna consider resin like people. Some days they love you to pieces, like these pieces. And then some days they treat you like a piece of crap and give you crap. This is horrible. So yeah, I'm like depressed that 2 molds got ruined, but my sister is getting me a whole new set of 4 each, which is really, really nice of her. I love her for it. She's so cute. And yeah, these little pieces I'm using as shaker bits, so I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so if anybody's got any ideas on why my resin decided to rebel on me, please leave a comment. And if you're so kind and it's your first time here, please subscribe, like, share, hit that bell notification button, and once in a while drop me a cup of coffee, because that's what's keeping these videos up and running. Well, thank you for stopping by once again, and have a nice day. Namaste.